Hi guys. I just realized that you are probably getting 1,000,007 emails every time one of your teachers updates and changes something in Google Classroom. So I wanted to make sure you knew how to shut that off because that can be super annoying. So trying to keep your emails to a minimum, you would be in Google Classroom and you should have three bars up here and you can go down to settings. And seriously, there's like only one thing you can do. Well, I guess you could change your profile picture, but you can turn on and off your email notifications. So this is where you would be like, I don't want that. I don't want any of those notifications. Now you can turn off individual ones. So just based on this stuff, but I don't want all those emails. So I thought I would share with you a quick little tutorial on how to turn that business off. Just make sure that you're checking your Google Classroom. I recommend once before 9 and then make a list of the things you need to do. And then check it again after 3. And that is when you can turn in assignments and see if there have been any updates. Now, of course, if you're struggling throughout the day or you're running into a problem or you have questions, you should totally log on. I believe that most of you can actually comment in here. So let me turn this back off because, and you might be able to help each other. So let's say that we're in fourth period science. You can share something with us or you can comment on these assignments to help each other and to ask questions to me. So that's a really easy way for us to communicate. And then I also wanted to show you how I am marking things graded. So for me, I put in all the grades and returned them to you today at 11:30 a.m. So if you did not get a grade returned to you for this assignment, which was the seedless plants and the seeded plants brain pop quizzes, then I didn't put anything in. So many of you completed one, but not the other. And I'm not trying to chase stuff down. So you need to handle your business, all right? So you will know I've graded it. If you sent it to me after that, no, I haven't seen it. You might want to check in with me. So set some healthy boundaries for getting this work done. Turn off that email notification. Again, just go over to settings and turn that off so that your email is not inundated with all these Google notifications. All right. I hope that helps.